This video is for all the confused students out there who are trying to figure out if they should be using ACCA Study Hub or not for their exam preparation. So I'm going to be covering how to use the ACCA Study Hub, what are the good parts, and what is the drawback of using ACCA Study Hub. So please stay tuned till the end. I'm Megha Bansali, Indian Qualified Chartered Accountant and ACCA. After the announcement that ACCA will no longer be reviewing Kaplan and PPP's content, there is a lot of chaos and confusion among students as to how should they be using ACCA Study Hub, should they continue using Kaplan, BPP. So I'm going to clear all that confusion in the video. So please watch it till the end, and guys, please do subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it with more of your ACCA friends, and do drop in a comment below on how you found the video. I'm an ACCA tutor and I have been teaching for the last 5 years. Earlier, I used to use Kaplan for conducting all my classes. However, from last year, I have switched to ACCA Study Hub after it has become the official resource of ACCA. And honestly, I find it really good because I've been using it for the last 1 year, and I don't have any complaints with the ACCA Study Hub, and nor do any of my students. So how do you go about using your ACCA Study Hub? First of all, I know there is going to be a lot of resistance from all of you to switch to a different study material, because the style, the language, all of that is different in different resources. Please do not let that hold you back. Please do not have a mindset that ACCA Study Hub is not good or is difficult to understand. First, you need to have the right kind of mindset. That's very, very important. Second of all, guys, please understand it's the official resource of ACCA. So it is going to be updated and it is going to be very accurate for your ACCA preparation. And the most important benefit is it is free. So whenever you're registering for ACCA as a course, you get the access to your ACCA Study Hub and it's a free resource. So you don't have to shell out additional for your study material. Earlier, under Kaplan or BPP, you had to buy these books additionally. So now you don't have to. You can use your ACCA Study Hub, and that is going to be really good enough for your preparation. Now, how do you go about using your ACCA Study Hub? What is the look and feel? How do you access it? I have made a detailed video around this. You can check it out. The link has been provided, so you will understand how to go about the ACCA Study Hub, the flow, all of that I have explained in that video. Now, the best advantage of using ACCA Study Hub, already I have told you three advantages. It is cost effective, it is the official resource, and it is updated. Being updated is very, very important when you're preparing for your examination, especially for every September attempt, because syllabus changes every September attempt. And when you're using the material, please be careful which version and for which examination is it relevant. So on the top, it will say, for example, it will say strategic business reporting, international version, and it will say valid from September attempt. So please check that first. And the other benefits you have is, a lot of technical articles are covered under the ACCA Study Hub. So you do not have to read your technical articles additionally. If you're following your ACCA Study Hub, at least 90% of them are covered. There might be one or two additional technical articles not covered. So you could do a mapping, but most of the technical articles are covered in your ACCA Study Hub, so you do not have to read it otherwise. The other advantage you have is the exam advice. Under each section, wherever there is something relevant to be communicated to student, it has been through the exam advice. For a simple example, they would have directly mentioned that you do not have to do the present value calculation in the examination. It will be directly given to you. So all such small tips are already given by ACCA, which will give you a lot of clarity how to prepare for the examination, what to expect, what not to expect. So that's really good. And then the features that are there in the ACCA Study Hub is really good, like the bookmark, the highlight, making notes, rating the confidence. All of these features are amazing, and you can really use them very effectively for a great preparation for your examination. Again, I have covered this in my earlier videos, how you can use each of these features to the maximum possible benefit. Now, the next question that is asked is, what about the questions? Honestly, there are n number of questions in the practice section of ACCA Study Hub, and it is more than enough for your exam preparation. You do not require any additional questions to be prepared. So if you're doing your entire study text, you're doing your questions, and you're doing your past papers, you're good to go. And the other advantage that is there is all the questions are marked chapter wise. So you will know exactly which question to solve after you have studied for a particular chapter. So that is a very good feature in your ACCA Study Hub. The only drawback that I find is, that language is a little technical. So sometimes it might get a little difficult for you to understand what they're trying to say. But guys, it's a professional level paper. So if you are, using that language for your preparation, it is going to be for your advantage because you will use the same language in the examination. So sometimes it can get a little difficult to understand. However, please use it for your benefit. Use that same technical language in your answers, and you're going to be doing really well in your exam. I hope you've got a better perspective on how to use your ACCA Study Hub. What are the advantages of using your ACCA Study Hub? And if you require any kind of guidance with regard to your ACCA preparation or how to use your ACCA Study Hub, you can definitely reach out to me. Details have been provided. And guys, please do subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it with more of your friends. Do drop in a comment below on how you found the video. And if you have any kind of doubts that you require to be clarified for your ACCA journey, you can also join my WhatsApp community where we discuss anything and everything about ACCA. I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you all.